Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, good morning, everybody. 8:53, final day of 2024, and we're waking up to some thunderstorms. Yes, those are now running east of I-75. It's a narrow little band, but nonetheless, some gusty thunderstorms this morning. Not severe, though. Running through Flemingsburg now, just east of Maysville, down through Owensville, coming on the doorstep of Frenchburg. We'll get a new scan here in a moment. Just east of Stanton and east of Irvin. This is a pretty gusty thunderstorm with winds that could be upwards of 40, maybe 45 miles per hour, and definitely some heavier rain. Back to the south and southwest we go. Another little gusty thunderstorm running through the northern part of Laurel County, so north of London. This is also passing just south of McKee, even though McKee is getting a little bit of rain, and so is Mount Vernon. Now, additional showers are filling in back to the west. Remember, I talked about that we would see those fill in later this morning, and we go into the afternoon, and we're going to have off and on showers and some drizzle. So some peaks of sun right now, very short-lived, okay? Some of you are going to get in on that for maybe an hour, maybe two, as we go into far eastern Kentucky, but more clouds are wrapping back in just to the west of us, and those will be filling in and leading to those showers. See the breaks in the clouds here or there, but primarily increasing clouds to the west of us. Temperatures out ahead of this low pressure are reaching their highest point right now, or have already this morning, into the low to mid 50s. Look at these winds gusting north of 30 miles per hour. There is a wind advisory in effect until this evening for just about all of our viewing area for some gusts that for sure over 30 and could get near 40, maybe an isolated gust over 40. Thanks to this big low pressure to the north, all the wind rushing into that. The atmosphere is trying to balance itself out, so that pressure gradient is creating the stronger winds that we'll see through the balance of the day. We take you into the afternoon and evening, and you can see showers and drizzle around. Temperatures, though, are going to be falling through the afternoon. So again, the warmest now, and then as the afternoon goes on, temperatures fall, and that continues as we go into the evening. So this is by midnight. You'll notice still, I think, some scattered showers and drizzle, maybe getting cold enough as soon as midnight to see a few flakes mixing in there, and then some scattered snow showers into tomorrow morning, maybe even some flurries lingering tomorrow afternoon, but not looking at any accumulation that go round. Showers likely, some claps of thunder this morning. Windy, again, temperatures are falling into the afternoon. Those gusts up near 40. Let's look at New Year's Eve here. Starting at 6 p.m., you're running out on the town or you're going to a party. Take the umbrella. You see what I'm talking about? We're already down into the middle 40s, falling into the upper 30s with some showers by midnight, maybe a few flakes of snow mixing in after midnight into tomorrow morning. And that's when we get down into the mid and upper 30s for official lows. Next system we're tracking is a quick moving clipper that moves through here on Friday, late Thursday night into Friday, bringing with it some snow showers, and that could actually put down some minor snow accumulations on the ground. Now, the next big thing we're already looking ahead toward is a potential winter storm as we get into late Sunday and into Monday. Timing kind of been shifting a bit on some of the models, but if it's for sure between Sunday and Monday. Now, what about precipitation types? On the table right now, I think we're looking at a wintry mix, at least some snow and some ice. Now, could we see just plain rain briefly in southern Kentucky? That will be determined by the eventual track of the low. It always is the determining factor. We may find ourselves on the fence there once again, but for sure, as we ring in 2025, it starts cold and it stays cold, it looks like, for at least a couple of weeks.
Whew. All right, well, you know, it is now January almost.
Yeah, typically, and it is usually our coldest month of the year, so it's right on cue, right?
All right, exactly.